I received these packages and I got this bubble wrap and I've been trying to pop it like all day, but it's not popping. Like I just squeezed the air into like another section of the bubble wrap. Y'all see this? I posted a picture on Instagram and y'all went crazy over this look. I did a story time, the same hairstyle in this video, and y'all went crazy. This hairstyle, it was not very difficult to achieve. The one thing I'm not gonna do in this video that I did for that hairstyle is I'm not gonna like brush down the perimeter of my head, just because I just washed my hair today, y'all, and I don't feel like messing up the curl pattern and having to redo my hair all over again tomorrow. So this hairstyle, it's like a 5-minute hairstyle, y'all. I did this on accident. I find it so funny how some of my best hairstyles, they're kind of on accident. I was going grocery shopping. Before I left the house, my hair was looking crazy, right? And I was like, you know what? I am not going to Walmart looking like I don't love myself. I pulled my hair up in a shoelace and I found my scrunchie. And so from there, that's when you'll see what I did, y'all. So you're gonna need a couple things for this video. If you're slicking down like the perimeter of your hair, then you're gonna need water and just a bristle brush, but I'm not doing that in this video. So you're gonna need a pick, you're gonna need a shoelace, and okay, not these elastic hair ties. Do not use these because they don't stretch far enough for you to wrap it around your bun. Well, I mean, you can wrap it around your bun twice, but it's gonna look fucking anorexic, and that's not the look we're going for. We're going for a really thick samurai top knot, right? So instead of those, you're gonna need these coiled scrunchies. You can find these at Ulta, you can find them at Sally and Cosmoprof, I believe, but I got mine from Ulta. It's a 4-pack for $6. They last for forever. This is actually my stretched out coily, and as you can see, I've used this on my bun multiple times because it's kind of like stuck in that wraparound shape. So let's just get into the video, y'all. I'm talking too much. I showered and I pulled my hair up, and I think I messed my hair up, but it's good because I'm about to mess it up even more. So the first thing you're gonna do is just pick your hair to get it just as big as possible. Like I said, I washed my hair today, so I'm kind of limited as to how big I can get my hair to be. You guys know, day one hair, it's usually pretty flat. This next part, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your shoelace, right? The placement of your puff will determine if this hairstyle turns out right. So you're gonna take your shoelace, so forward and up, and it's gonna look like this. Crisscross the shoelace and then pull. And then you're just gonna wrap the rest of the shoelace around the base of your puff. If you have your base, you're just gonna like, if you want to, you can pick your hair out even more, but I don't wanna mess up my base. Next is the most simplest thing. All you're gonna do is just take your scrunchie and just wrap it around your hair twice. So that's it. So you can either leave it like this or you can be extra like I was in this picture. You can add some braiding clamps and all that. So I'll be right back. This is the finished look, y'all. If you guys want to try this hairstyle out, post a picture on Instagram and tag me in it because I want to see how it looks on y'all. I don't know, y'all. This whole look was an accident. I know I'm not the first person that's done this, but the whole look was an accident. I just kind of threw my hair up and I ended up with this. So that's gonna wrap up this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and I will see y'all on my next video.